so today is the day where I'm going to be picking the winner of the giveaway. So if you participated in the giveaway, we're going to see who wins today. Okay, so I'm trying to get myself and the computer all at the same time so you guys can like see what's going on here, but it's just not really working out for me. So we're going to have to do it this way. So what I'm going to do is I'm using the YouTube random comment picker. It also is for Instagram and it is for Facebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting the URL in here. So if you did comment on YouTube, it's going to randomly pick someone. And then if you comment on Facebook, it's going to randomly pick someone. And if you comment on Instagram, it's going to randomly pick somebody. And so that's where those extra entries come in. So if you commented on YouTube and commented on Instagram and blah, 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 it'll pick it all up. So once I get all three of those together, then I'm going to put them in a basket or whatever and mix it all up and then pick out the winner. All right. So first thing I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to go to that video. Where is it? Actually, I should just view my channel. Alright, so now we're going to find the subscriber video. And then I think I'm going, okay, so then I press copy. And then we're going to go to randomly pick your YouTube comment as commenters, enter the URL. Alright, entering in the URL. Click the orange search icon. Amount of unique commenters, 51. Okay. Start the raffle, pick a random winner. How do you start the raffle? Okay. Ooh, it's working. It's working. It's working. Ooh. I don't want to butcher your name, but I'm thinking that says Diana Donovan. So, Diana Donovan is the winner on Facebook. But you're not the actual winner yet, okay? So don't get too excited. All right, so now we are going to Facebook. I wish that you guys can see this better. All right, so this is my personal Facebook. Let's get off of that. All right, so here we are, Ashleighlauren. So what I'm gonna do, since some people commented like on the, they commented on my original post and then they commented on like a reminder post. So I'm gonna do both. So let's see how this works. I don't know how this one actually will work for this one, but let's see. How do I view this video? So this is the video. And I'm gonna copy. And then now we're gonna go to, oh no, I can't leave that one. Okay, so then we're gonna go to Facebook, paste. This is fun, this is fun. Okay. So, please log in. Okay, wait. Log into your Facebook account. Oh, excuse me. So we have to log in. Continue as Ashleigh. And now, okay. So, now let's do it. All right, so it was 19 comments on that. Let me make sure that was 19 comments. Yes, it was. Okay. So then I'm gonna press start raffle. And Bethany Ann. Let's see. Bethany Ann off Facebook. All right, so now I'm gonna go to this other one that I clicked on that some people wrote on, and all right, let's see. How do I do this one? Random comment picker. Gonna do it again. Click on this and copy. Ooh, no, okay, so that one's that one. And we're gonna do here, paste, go, go, go. Oh my God, only one person commented. So it's gonna be that one person. Was it really one person? It was. All right, so. All right, Andrea Williver. All right, so now we're gonna go to Insta. So our YouTube, and we have Facebook, And now we're gonna go to Instagram. This is my personal Instagram again, guys. Friends, if this is you, I'm sorry. Okay, so let's go to the first one. Okay, so here. And then I'm gonna take it and copy, and then we're gonna go to random comment picker, random comment picker. And then we're gonna go to Instagram. How did they know? Anyway, so we're gonna log in, authorize, paste, and go, 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 go. All right, and then now we're gonna pick a random winner. Pick a winner chicken dinner. Jaybirds 2017 is our Instagram winner. But remember, guys, you guys did not win yet. So maybe I need to stop saying that. Okay, so then now I'm going to go to the other one that I did. And then I'm going to go here. Copy, 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 copy. And this is so funny, guys. And what am I doing? No, wait, why am I going to Instagram? Okay, wait. Instagram, okay, random comment picker, Ashleigh. The heck? Okay. Not for YouTube. We're going to switch to Instagram. So, okay. Now, I'm going to go to this one. And then I'm going to copy. And then I'm going to come here. And then, I already logged in. You are already logged in. Okay. Paste. Search. Start random picking. Picking, picking, picking. Bethany1 is the other one from Instagram. Woo, that was a lot. All right, so now I'm going to take everybody's name that randomly got chosen, and I'm going to write them on pieces of paper, and then we're going to put them into a basket, shake it, shake it, shake it up, and pick the actual winner. Balled them all up, yay, put it in this basket, and we're gonna put them inside, and then we're gonna mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix, oops, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix, 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 mix. Alrighty, and now it's time to draw out our lucky winner. This is so fun, by the way. Okay, so, and the winner is Bethany1. Sorry, this is kind of wrinkled. All right. So, Bethany, wait, let me see. Beth.a.me1, which I love that. You are my lucky winner. So just make sure that I can get in contact with you, or you can just get in contact with me from off Instagram or YouTube or Facebook, and just comment. Let me know that you see that you won. 4 days to do so, and then if you don't contact me within the 4 days, then I'm gonna pick someone else. So just make sure you get in contact with me. Yay, Bethany. Thank you guys for participating in this giveaway. I really truly appreciate it, and I appreciate all the followers that I have gotten since I first even posted this. Thank you guys, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye guys.